Rail fans in Northeast Georgia, we're on the
Also on the downhill side of the train, we will begin to pass by an old three-story brick building.
rail fans.
This old brick building was originally the old St. Vincent's Hospital. This building was built in 1904 by the Sisters of Charity, and it was used as Leadville's primary hospital until the new one was built in 1957. This old building is now being used as an apartment home complex, and many have said that it is haunted from its time by a boxcar, two caboose, and a rather odd-looking green car. This odd-looking green car is known as a flanker car. This flanker car was built in 1902, and it is designed to remove snow off of our tracks, which is much needed with the massive amount of snow buildup that we receive by the end of each winter.
Rail fans in Northeast.
Also coming up on the downhill side of the train, we will begin to pass by our roundhouse. Our roundhouse was originally a 6-stalled roundhouse, but when our rail line was converted from narrow gauge to standard gauge in 1943, 3 stalls were removed and the doors were raised and widened to accommodate the much larger standard gauge steam engine. Here at the roundhouse, you will get the chance to see our other engine, engine 1918, also known as Tough and Ready. The engine we are currently using is engine 1740, or as we like to call her, Pride and Joy. Both of our engines are GP9 diesel electric engines and were both built in the mid-1950s.
Thank you for riding Leadville Colorado and Southern Railroad. Rail fans of Northeast Georgia.